wish, I wish, I wish, I wish
I could have this home right here on this 1.4 acre lot located on Ridge Road in Quicksburg, Virginia. I am so excited to present this new construction home. Offering 1,380 square feet on a crawl, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, an open floor plan, and a kitchen with granite countertops. Let me show you around. As you can see, construction has just begun. So this is the time for you to grab this home and pick out the finishing touches. So let me help you make this wish of owning this new construction home come true. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.